Hi everyone, this is Kiyuki with a brand new xTool tutorial. This time I will show you how to create a beautiful flower calendar for your desk. I will be using the xTool M1 Ultra to print and cut this flower bouquet calendar. To create this calendar you'll need the xTool M1 Ultra, white cardstock, white MDF in 3mm, and the file. You can get it from Etsy. The shop's name is Infinite Art Pot. Step 1. Prepare your design. Open xTool Creative Space and start a new project. Or, if you have created an XCS file already, open the project file. Import the PNG or JPEG files. All the layers of this project are grouped. Ungroup the layers and place them on and around your canvas. Depending on how big your calendar is supposed to be, you can print and cut between 2 and 4 layers at once. Grab the first 2 or more layers and place them on the canvas. Set the processing mode to multi-module processing. Select all layers by pressing Ctrl and A. Set the processing mode to inkjet printing and change the intensity to 100. The M1 Ultra cannot cut a PNG or JPEG file. In order to have the machine cut the design, you'll have to add a vector path. Select your layer and click on Outline. Set the outline to 0.2 and click Confirm. Right-click on the newly created vector path and move it to a different color. This helps to adjust the different processing modes easily. Repeat these steps with the next calendar layer. You can also go ahead and repeat this for all the remaining layers at this point. Group each calendar layer with its outline to easily move them around on your canvas. Depending on the size of the paper you choose, you'll have to rotate them and adjust the position. I rotate one layer by 90 degrees, the other one by 270 degrees. I use heavy cardstock for this project. The craft paper settings from the EasySet library work very well with this paper. Step 2. Install the ink module. Open your M1 Ultra and place the blue sticky map onto the base plate. Switch to the inkjet module. Simply turn the lever to unlock the module and pull it up. Now slide down the inkjet module. Connect the cable and don't forget to lock the module in place. Place the placing board in the lower right corner of the machine and apply the cleaning sticker on it. Now place your paper on the sticky mat. And make sure that the fine point blade is installed on the left cartridge. Take off the inkjet cover and place it on the placing board. Make sure to position it correctly. Finally, close your M1 Ultra. Step 3. Print and cut. From your canvas, click on the Go to Process button. The next screen shows you the path that the inkjet module will take. You can also find an estimate time in the lower left corner and the modules that will be used on the right. Click on the Start button. Your M1 Ultra will now measure the distance. Once your M1 Ultra is ready, click the Start button to the right in front of your machine. Repeat the previous steps with every layer. Step 4. Create a base. This calendar needs a stand. I designed a simple stand using shapes that are available in XCS. Of course, you can create your own flower bouquet stand. Change the processing mode to lasering on flat surface. Set the shapes to laser cut. And don't forget to change the material settings. I used the settings for 3mm basswood for this project and it worked fine. Take out the placing board and switch back to the laser module. Then, take out the base plate if you have a razor base installed. If you do not have a razor base, take out the sticky mat and replace it with the prisms. Place the MDF or any other plywood that you want to use on the honeycomb or the prisms. I recommend to use the magnetic pins to keep it in place. If you are working with MDF, make sure to set the air assist to high to prevent burn marks. If you still encounter burn marks, use a cotton cloth and isopropanol to remove it. You should also vent outside, or use either the new AP2 filter or IF2 fan. Step 5. Finish. Sort the month and place them all together in the flower bouquet stand. As a month passes by, take the front calendar page and move it to the back side. Enjoy your blooming flowers all year long on your desk or wherever you want to place it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions regarding this project or any xTool product, feel free to send me a message. Until next time, happy crafting!